Hello, my name is Chunyan, your Chinese language teacher. This video is my first video in 2022. I want to say to all of my viewers, thank you very much for your encouragement and support for the past year. I also want to say to the new viewers, welcome to join with me to learning Chinese. Okay, let's get started. Do you know Chinese doesn't have grammatical tense? But how can we talk about the future in Chinese? First, we use time words. Second, we use auxiliary verb can, 会, and want, 要. We use these two to indicate the action will happen in the future. Now let's talk about it. First, let's talk about time words to describe the future. With no grammatical tense in Chinese, we just use time words to describe the action will happen in the future. The structure is subject plus time words plus place plus verb plus object. For example, tonight, 今晚 今晚 I'll eat at home tonight. 我今晚在家吃饭。我今晚在家吃饭。Another example. I'll send an email to you tonight. 我今晚给你发邮件。我今晚给你发邮件。Tomorrow, 明天。明天。I'll go to work tomorrow. 我明天上班。我明天上班。I'll have my birthday tomorrow. 我明天过生日。我明天过生日。The day after tomorrow. 后天。后天。I'll have a meeting at the company the day after tomorrow. 我后天在公司开会。我后天在公司开会。I return to my country the day after tomorrow. 我后天回国。我后天回国。Next week. You can say 下周。下周 or 下个星期。下个星期。I will going on business next week. 我下个星期出差。我下个星期出差。I will be on vacation next week. 我下个星期休假。我下个星期休假。A week later. 一个星期后。一个星期后。I'll be on holiday a week later. 我一个星期后放假。我一个星期后放假。I'll go to work a week later. 我一个星期后上班。我一个星期后上班。Next year. 明年。明年。I'll graduate from university next year. 我 明年大学毕业。我明年大学毕业。I'll retire next year. 我明年退休。我明年退休。A year later. 一年后。一年后。I'll get married in a year. 我一年后结婚。我一年后结婚。I'll buy a house in a year. 我一年后买房。我一年后买房。Later. 待会儿。待会儿。See you later. 待会儿见。待会儿见。I'll go to your office later. 我待会儿去你办公室。我待会儿去你办公室。Next time. 下次。下次。I'll do well next time. 我下次一定做好。我下次一定做好。I'll take you with me next time. 我下次带你一起去。我下次带你一起去。Future. 将来。将来。I will be a teacher in the future. 我将来当老师。我将来当老师。A school will be built in this place in the future. 这个地方将来建一所学校。这个地方将来建一所学校。Now let's talk about how to use auxiliary verbs can and want to talk about the future. Can and want can both used in front of the verb. Can 会。会。Want 要。要。会 and 要 can both be used talking about the future. But what are the differences between 会 and 要? 会 is used to predict something that's going to happen, but it's not the personal decision. For example, I'll go to work tomorrow. 我明天会去上班。我明天会去上班。Another example, he will resign soon. 他很快会辞职。他很快会辞职。要 is more personal decision, like want to do or intend to do something. For example, he's going to Shanghai. It's his decision. He wants to go to Shanghai. 他要去上海。他要去上海。I'm going to buy a coat. It also means I want to buy a coat. 我要买一件大衣。我要买一件大衣。要 can also use with 了。The structure is 要 plus verb plus 了。了 in this structure is nothing to do with the past. It means we'll do something very soon or something will happen very soon. For example, It's going to rain. 要下雨了。要下雨了。Another example. It's going to be late. 要迟到了。要迟到了。You also can add 快 before 要。快 means fast. The structure is 快要 plus verb plus 了。This structure is almost the same as 要 plus verb plus 了 to emphasize that something will take place very soon. For example, my younger sister is going to the university very soon. 我妹妹快要上大学了。我妹妹快要上大学了。Another example. It's getting dark soon. 天快要黑了。天快要黑了。Now let's talk about how to negate future action. It's very easy. Just add the 不 before verb. For example, I won't go to work tomorrow. 我明天不上班。我明天不上班。Another example. He won't go to China next year. 他明年不去中国。他明年不去中国。If you want to confirm the negative decision for the future action, you can add 了 at the end of the sentence. For example, I want to go swimming on weekend. 我周末不去游泳了。我周末不去游泳了。Another example, he won't come tomorrow. 他明天不来了。他明天不来了。Great! Thank you for watching. Can you tell me what do you want to do in the future in Chinese? Write down in the comment. I'll see you again next time.